Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So if you're not familiar with the channel, about 3 years ago I built this workshop. It's a 16 by 8 workshop. I think that's 4.8 by 2.4 meters approximately. And ever since then I've been thinking of ways to maximize the space inside it, because as you might know, if you have a small workshop it can be quite frustrating trying to make the most of the room that you have. So at the same time I've been trying to make stuff that is very cheap to make, if not free to make. So I've been using scrap materials, and I've come up with many different ways to maximize the space inside my shed. So I hope you find this video useful. So here are 10 storage solution project ideas for a small workshop.
Links to the full-length videos of these projects can be found in the description box of this video. Number 1 is the tape measure rack. I made this out of a scrap piece of pallet wood and an old hacksaw blade. Great for keeping all your tape measures in one place so you know where they are and you don't lose them. Number 2 is a storage unit on wheels. This is great for pushing underneath a desk to take up some dead space, and useful to just fill with bits and bobs, and then you can pull it out when you need it. Number 3 is a scrap wood storage bin. This is also on wheels, made out of scrap materials, and this is to keep lengths of wood in, scraps of wood, up to about 2 meters tall. Really good to keep them upright and out into the corner. They're right out of the way and they don't take up too much space. At number 4, it's a PPE storage station. So all your health and safety equipment, I like to keep mine in one place by just making a simple board with hooks on it, and you can hang everything there on the wall so you know where it is when you need it. Number 5 is a vise in a vise. So to keep your worktop clear, you can clamp your metalworking vise into your woodworking vise, get it out when you need it, and then you can put it away again when you're not using it, and that keeps that desktop clear so you don't have to have a metalworking vise permanently set up on the top of your desk. At number 6 we have a clamp rack. Clamps can be awkward to store. Making a simple clamp rack like this one, mine's made out of pallet wood, just keeps them all neat and tidy and in one place, up and out of the way. Number 7 is a screwdriver rack. Great for keeping all your screwdrivers organised. If you're like me, you've probably got too many screwdrivers, and this just keeps them all in view and neatly organised. This was made out of a bit of scrap wood. At number 8, it's a hammer rack. This keeps all the hammers neat and tidy up within view, so that if you need one you can just have a look and grab it off the rack. And this was just made out of a piece of pallet wood again, and some garden tool hooks. Number 9 is some timber storage brackets, and these are designed to store long lengths of timber indoors to keep them nice and dry. All the lengths of timber that I'm storing here are all scrap wood that I've found either in skips or thrown out by the side of the road, and these brackets are screwed directly into the studs of my workshop and they hold a surprising amount of weight. And they're just made out of some pallet wood. And then finally at number 10 we have a workshop storage box. This is great to take up dead space at the bottom of your desk, and I've got a big handle on there. That's an old towel rail. It's made out of some old chipboard and it has some casters on it, so you can put loads of bits and bobs in there and then just push them underneath, making use of that bit of dead space. So that is about it for this video. If you found the video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.